In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your IbisPaint X app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, by upgrading your IbisPaint app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix errors or any issues related to your app. To do this is quite simple. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do it on Android smartphone. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the IbisPaint X app on your Android smartphone. And to do this, just go to Play Store. As you can see, my IbisPaint X app is here. But to upgrade it or to update it, I'll go to Play Store here and then just search the name. And here we go, IbisPaint. And if you tap on it, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of IbisPaint X app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app, then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, now you can proceed and open it to start using the latest version of IbisPaint X app. So by following these steps, you should be able to get the latest version of this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.